Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah and thanks for joining us in today's do-it-yourself project. So my wife has complained that the light switch in the kitchen sometimes does not turn on. So you guess it, you know what this video is going to be all about. And today, I'm going to replace my old light switch. It's been over 25 years. There's probably a loose connection or the switch has just worn out. So let's do this. And if you like my video and find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. So downstairs on my main breaker, the first thing you can do is the main power switch right here. You can bring it down to shut the power off, or in my case, I already know that's on number 6 breaker, so I shut it off already. So let's start off by removing the 6 screws that hold down the switch plate. The middle switch will be the one we'll be replacing. Now removing the 2 screws that hold down the switch by rotating counterclockwise. Once that's done, I pull out the switch and you can see that I already cut the power off, and tapping on the positive terminals, which is black color, you got no electricity coming, and now we are safe. Now I'll proceed to remove the top black wire first by rotating the screw counterclockwise. Remember that black wire, that specific black wire will be on the top terminal. Now we can proceed to remove the second wire, the one at the bottom. Okay, now we're halfway there. We'll just grab the other switch and position it exactly the way we had it on the old one. And so the top wire will be going to the top screw right there, and the bottom black wire will be going to the bottom screw. So notice we hook the wire underneath the terminal. Then we tighten that screw by rotating clockwise. Nice and tight. Now proceed with the other black wire and hooking it up towards the second screw. Then tightening it up by rotating clockwise. And again, nice and tight. Now we line up the switch with the 2 holes. Hand starting it is always the best so we don't cross thread. And now you can gently run it down with your gun, but not all the way down. Now just double checking everything lines up. Then I screw it down with my screwdriver. Okay, now I'll go back downstairs to my breaker and I push the number 6 back up to power. And the moment of truth to see if everything works properly. Okay, looking good. Light is on. Let's try a few more times, flipping the switch off and on. Off is good. And on is also good. So looks like we're all set. And here's a good tip I always do. Back of the switch plate, I write down the number 6, which coincides with the circuit breaker downstairs. Number 6 circuit breaker. And the reason I do that is quick reference in case I ever have to work on that switch again. I know it's number 6 and I can easily find it, no problem. So hopefully I don't have to change the switch again for another 25 years. Well, I hope this video has helped you out, and if it has, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. And if you're looking for other tips on DIY projects for electrical, you can take a look at my playlist under electrical. Finish it up. Line up the lines. Up and down. And notice how I screw in the screws with the grooves straight up and down. I guess some people don't like it any other way. They get annoyed, so I did this just for you guys. I guess they say it also looks more professional. Also looks like that was another successful do-it-yourself project.